Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the video session of Canton Publisher. Students, today we will learn Mathematics 8, Chapter 3, Lecture number 15. For this purpose, you must have these three books: textbook for grade 8, summer pack and resource pack. We will use main content from the textbook and the content relevant to our today's lesson from summer pack. But the resource pack is for the guidance of your teachers and parents. There is complete methodology given in this resource pack that how to teach you through activities and real life examples. Students, now come to the book. Students, Unit 3, this is about number systems. In topic 3.1, we have done number systems. There are four kind of number system which we have done: decimal numbers, binary numbers, numbers with base 5 and octal numbers. And then we have started topic 3.2. This is about convergence. Now let's come to the today's topic. Students, our today's topic is convergence, part 13. Part 13 means this is our 13th lecture on this topic. Here we will discuss two SLOs. SLO means student learning outcomes. First SLO: add, subtract and multiply numbers with different bases. If we have given numbers with different bases, then we will convert different bases of numbers in same bases, and then we can multiply, add, subtract, etc. and perform the different operations. In second SLO, we will revise the unit 3. We will complete a complete review exercise and the assignment. Students, now come to the page number 45 of your textbook. Addition, subtraction and multiplication of numbers with different bases. As I told you that first of all, if we have given numbers to perform different operations in different bases, we will convert these bases into a same base, and then we will multiply, subtract or divide. Subtract and then add. To simplify an expression involving numbers with different bases, first of all, convert all the numbers of other bases into the decimal numbers are in. Check, are in same basis. I told you that first of all you have to convert the given numbers in same basis. Either this is base decimal number system or base 5 or binary numbers or octal numbers. You need to convert in same basis. So it will be easier for us to understand that this method with some examples which are given below. Now look at the example number 16. Simplify 1110011 with base 2. 1212341 with base 5. We have given another number with base 10, 6, 7, 8. If there is a number given with base 10 or in decimal number system, so you should convert all other numbers given in different bases into the decimal number system and then add them. So look at the solution. Convert binary numbers into decimal numbers and then convert base 5 number system into decimal numbers. So we have decimal numbers, one decimal number. It will remain same. So convert the numbers 11110011 with base 2 and 12341 with base 5 into the decimal numbers. Look, you know the procedure how to convert the binary numbers into the decimal numbers. First of all, we choose one, this one. We choose and multiply with the base having power. What is the power? How many numbers, number of digits after the circled one? After how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. We will write 6 in exponent, and then we will proceed to the to write, and then choose one, put plus sign, and then 1 multiply by base number and raise to the power 5, and so on. Continue this process till end up to the power with base 0. Base 2 having power 0. So, when we complete and apply all the operators, perform different operations, we have 115 with base 10. This is a decimal number system. Similarly, first convert 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 with 5 with base 5 into the decimal number system. Procedure you know. What you have to do? First, write 1 and then multiply with base having power 4. So, why 4? Because there are 4 digits after the first digit from left side. So continue this procedure till the base number having power 0. And then apply all the operators and add, perform addition, and then you have this number 971 with base 10. At the end, add all the numbers having base 10. We have 1764 with base 10. So this is easier way to solve the question given with different bases. Thus the required answer is 1764. Look, if I have a number here, if I have a number 3 with base 5, 2 with base 8, I can write, and then plus 10 with base 10. What we have to do? First, we will convert these two numbers into the base 10 number system. How? 3 with base 5, it will be equal to 3 multiplied by 5 raised power 0. So we have 3 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 3. Now 2 with base 8, what we have to do? This is 3 with base 10. Now 2 with base 8, that is equal to 2 multiplied by 8 raised power 0. So we have 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 2 with base 10. Now we can add these numbers. How? Add these numbers. 3 with base 10 plus 2 with base 10 and then plus 10 with base 10. When we have added 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 with base 10. Similarly, you can perform addition or other operators in the given operations, given expression by changing the bases. Another questions. Now, come to the next page, 45, 46. Now look here, simplify. Example number 17. Remember one thing, you know what is this? BODMAS. If we have given brackets like this, we'll use the BODMAS rule. Where we have done BODMAS rule? We have done BODMAS rule in class 4, in 5 and then in 6, and learn how to solve brackets. First of all, we'll solve these brackets, round brackets or parentheses, and then we'll solve this one. At the end we'll solve this one. These are curly brackets, these are parentheses are round brackets, these are square brackets. And then apply DMAS. First division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. By following operation from left to right, we'll use operations from in the expression from left to right. Now, in this example 17, we'll use subtraction and addition, but another thing we'll use BODMAS rule over here. Why? When we use BODMAS rule, we don't have any chance for mistake. So, perform calculation. Look at this portion. First, one number is from base 5 and other number is from base 10. We'll convert, because in this expression there is one number having base 10. So we'll convert all the numbers into base 10 number system and then perform addition. So there are two types of methods. How? First, convert this number, base 5 number, into base 10 and then add, and then after that convert this number into base 10 number system and then add this portion, whole portion. At the end, this will be base 10 number system. At the end, convert this number 13403 with base 5 into base 10 number system and then add, subtract the result. Our second method is, first of all, convert all the given numbers into the base 10 first of all, and then put in this expression. When we convert all the given numbers with having different bases into the base 10 number system and then write the expression like this, and then use the BODMAS rule. This is easier way. So we'll adopt second option. First of all, we'll convert all the numbers with base 2 and 5 into the decimal numbers. When we converted this number 13403 with base 5 into base 10, we have this result, 1103 with base 10. When we convert second this number, binary number, into the base 10 number system, we have this result. You know how to convert. Look here, 1, choose 1, multiply with base number, this base, and raise to the power how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of digits after the circle digit. So that is 9. And your base power will decrease by 1 consecutively till the 0. So we have 872 with base 10, that is equal to this binary digit number. At the end, convert 3140 with base 5, this number, into the base 10. When we have converted, we have 420 with base 10. So put all these numbers accordingly in the expression and then add by using the BODMAS rule. When we added 302 with base 10 plus 420 with base 10, we have 722, means 2 and then 2, 4 plus 3, that is 7, and then we will add this number, this portion. First we have done this one and then we will perform subtraction over here. We have 150 and 1103 minus 150, that is equal to 953 with base 10. So we have this result. Similarly, you can perform operations on different expressions according to the given instructions. Students, now come to the exercise 3G. Question number 1. Now what we have to do here? Look here, we have 100 with base 100. You need to solve all these parts of question 1 on your notebook and send your notebook to your teacher for checking. This is your home task. Look, in part 1 we have 100 with base 10 plus 100 with base 5 plus 100 with base 2. What we have to do? First of all, we will convert all these two numbers into the base 10 number system and then add the result. So what we have to do? Look, 10, 100 with base 5, how to convert? 1 multiplied by 5 raised power 2, because there are two zeros, two digits, plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised power 2 plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised power is 0. So here 1, and then we have these two numbers will become 0 because when we multiply any number or digit with 0, we have 0 result. So we have 5 5s are 25, 25 multiplied by, we have 25 multiplied by 1, that is 1 in base 10. Similarly, when we convert binary number, this number, to the this number 100 with base 2, we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised power 2 plus 0 and then plus 0. Why? Because we have 0, 0 multiplied by something, that is 0. 2 to the 4, 4 with base 10. So now what will be the expression? This expression will become, look here, how? We have 100 with base 10 plus 25 with base 10 plus 4 with base 10. This is multiplication. So there is a multiplication. We perform multiplication first because of BODMAS rule. So 25 multiplied by 4 is 100 with base 10 plus 100 with base 10. Now add these numbers. So we have 200 with base 10. Students, similarly, you can solve other questions, other parts of this question and send your notebook to your teacher for checking. Be careful while solving the questions. Always convert the given bases into the decimal number system or the single base. Choose from any base. You can convert this base into the base 5 number system and then add. This is up to you. This was your exercise 3G. Now come to the review exercise of this unit. Students, Look at review exercise. You need to remind all the unit, all the operations which we have done in this unit. You should complete this exercise at your home and then send your task to your teacher for checking, and do question number 1 on your book and other questions on your notebook. Encircle the correct answer. What is? Only 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are used in. These are 5 numbers in from which base system? Binary, there are 2. Binary, bi mean 2. Binary mean 2. Octal, there are 8 numbers. Decimals, there are 10. So we have only 1, that is D. So system with base 5. These numbers are from base 5 number systems. So look here, the place value of 10 raised power 3 is, what is? Look and write the correct option. And where is the 3? What is the place value? Look, there are 3's, means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. You have 1, 0, 0, 0. Is there? Yes. Encircle this. Similarly, complete other parts of this question on your textbook. Students, now come to the next page. Question number 2, express the following as decimal numbers. You know how to express these given numbers into the decimal, convert these numbers into decimal number system, convert the following into the base 5 and octal number system. These are all in a base 10 number system, so you need to convert these into octal and base 5 number system. Solve the following, perform the addition operation and subtraction operation. You know how to solve these questions, so complete all of these questions and send your notebook to your teacher for checking. Students, now come to the summer pack. Look here, page number 45, question number 1, 2, 4, 8 with base 10 and 3, 1, 2, 4 with base 5 and 1, 1. This is the binary number, this is the base 5 number system. So convert these two numbers into the base 10 number system or decimal number system and then add the result. Add means perform the Demas rule according to the given operations. So in question number 2, apply the same procedure, use BODMAS rule. Mass rule. In question 2, also there are brackets, and always try to convert all the numbers into the base 10 number system and then perform the operations given. Students, now come to the assessment. This is assessment. You have to complete this assessment at your home, and question 1 is like the question number 1 of your textbook. Similarly, textbook exercise, review exercise 3. So complete this question. Base 10 system is also called binary, decimal, octal or system. So fill this circle. Similarly, choose the one correct option from all the given 4 options in each part and complete this question on your summer pack. And question number 2 also, all the questions of assessment complete on the summer pack, and at the end send your this assessment or summer pack to your teacher for checking. These are the questions and you have to perform different operations in this assessment. So this is whole chapter assessment. At the end, after completing this, send these are total 9 questions. After completing this, send your summer pack to your teacher for checking. Students, what we have done today? Let's revise. Our today's topic was convergence, part 13. In this topic, we have discussed 2 SLOs, add, subtract and multiply numbers with different bases, and then revision of unit 3. Students, I hope you understand and enjoyed today's lesson. If you have questions and suggestions, please write us at mathematics@cantorpublisher.com. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we'll see in our next class with new lesson. Allah Hafiz.